In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the mail merge question from this paper, which says you are required to carry out mail merge to create a list for use during the induction of new staff. This is a winter 2016 paper, and question 26 says use the file N216 checklist.rtf as a master document. Now, I need to open these two files, N216.rtf, and I need to use this as my source file. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this file here. I'm going to go to my folder, which is here, paper 2, there we go, N216 checklist, double click on it, open it, and here we are. The question says, in the master document, replace date with the date to date field, okay, and it should be in this format, DD, MM, YYY. And then I have to insert all these merge fields. But before I do that, I need to link my document to those merge fields. So I'm going to go to mailings, start mail merge, let's call it letters. Then I'm going to go to select recipients, use an existing list, and I will select the list that has been prescribed by the exam board, which is in paper 2, okay, and just double check what it's called. It's called N216 new staff. So N216 new staff is there. Click on open, done. Please note there are spelling mistakes here. You must correct the spelling mistakes. So I'm going to correct that one there, like that. Okay, and if there are any others, please do correct them as well. So the first thing it asks me to do is make sure the date, that's this date column here, is in the date format. So I'm going to highlight it, go to insert, date and time, there. Make sure this is clicked. If this is not ticked, when you have to show your code, it will not show. I'm going to press OK and insert the date like so. Now I need to replace these fields. So I'm going to highlight the first one, go to mailings, insert merge field, because now my document is linked to my source first name. Put a space bar in, highlight the next one, insert merge field, last name. Start date, I'm going to highlight that, insert merge field, start date. Job title, highlighted, insert merge field, job title, and one by one I'm just going to replace all of them that exist. This is line manager with line manager. I know I've inserted the merge field because now it's showing the 2 chevrons instead of 1. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. There are some items down here that need to change as well. Please be sure to check all the document. Place course with course, course date with course date. Students often do not check the whole document, and you will lose marks for not doing something simple as this, which I'm going to do. Insert merge field with location. There's a full stop there, so I'm going to replace the full stop. Are there any other items that need replacing? No. I'm going to check this error here. It says ignore once. I'm going to ignore it. Provide. I'm going to bring provide onto the next line like so. So I'm making it a complete document. Are there any other areas that I need to change? I don't think so. I'm just going to preview the results. Okay, I'm just going to change this over here. Put the backspace in there. There you go. All my documents are now replaced or merged correctly as I want it. I'm going to go back to the exam question. I've done all of this now. The next bit says include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So quite simply, I'm going to go to insert, header and footer, which is there. So I'm going to go into the footer, and depending on what they ask for, they haven't asked for a specific level. I'm just going to go here now. My name is Mr. Ahmed. My center number in the order they asked for, QA007, and my candidate number is 1234. Close the preview there. Back to your question. Place in your evidence document that you have changed the format of the date field. I'm going to show that by pressing Alt and F9 on my keyboard, and you can see over here that I've changed it. Now I'm simply going to use the snipping tool to copy all of this section showing the exam board that I've done this correctly. And I'll copy it and paste it into my evidence document, wherever that may be. For the purpose of this exercise, I'm not going to show you where to place that. That is worth 6 marks. I expect you to pick up all 6 marks for this part of the question. The next part of the question says, insert the image N216 logo in an appropriate position, format the image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeters, the aspect ratio is maintained, and the image does not overlap any items in the document. Okay, so I'm simply going to go to my document, and then I'm going to go to insert, pictures, and there is my picture. I'm in the right folder. I'm going to click on it and click on insert. That is obviously not the right location, and I need to resize it. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go to size and position. The question said it should be width of 4 centimeters. Note width. Do not enter the 4 centimeters in the height section. So I'm going to leave the height as it is. I'm going to go to the width, and it's in inches, but I'm going to type in 4 cm. I'm going to leave the aspect ratio ticked. Press OK. Click on this icon here in front of text, and I'm just going to move it so it's in this location over here. I believe that this is the correct location. Back to the question. The question says the image does not overlap any items. Save and print the master document with the merge fields displayed. So at this stage, you'll simply go to mailings, finish merge, and print documents. Okay, you're going to print all documents. Press OK. Okay, there are 5 items. Press OK, and then you will print. For this exercise, I'm not going to print. Let's press cancel. Next question. Question says, merge the checklist for only those applicants who need to attend the induction course. Okay, and then we need to include evidence of how we did this. So again, I'm going to go to my document. Okay, in the mailings menu, I'm going to select edit recipients, like so. I'm going to scroll across and find the people who are on the induction course. So that's Samuel Coles, who's line manager, for this person and this person only. These 2 people on induction, these 3 people are on the induction course. The rest need to be unticked. So this guy needs to stay on it. This guy's not on it. This guy's not on it. Quickly go and check. This guy's not on it. Hassan just sneezed in this video, and you can hear it in the background. Thank you, Hassan. Okay, the next one is on the health and safety course. Doesn't need that one. The next person is on an induction course. You need them. This person doesn't, and the others do. You will take a screenshot of this area here by making your screen bigger. Okay, showing everything here, and just take a screenshot using the snippet tool. New, and just take a screenshot of that. You can take all of it if you really want to, and this shows the exam board that you selected the right number of people. Okay, then copy and paste it into your evidence document as it's been asked to show here. It says, question 29 says, print only the merge checklist for the selected applicants. Again, you would go to finish and merge, print documents, all, and you print the documents that you want to print. That is the end of this part of the question, and all of your mail merge question is now complete. Thank you for listening.